Often when I'm drinking beer, I want to have some nice beer snack, and I don't like the usual snacks because they don't inspire me. I want something unusual but real taste, and today I want to show you one corn-breaded chicken sticks with the beetroot aioli. It's gonna be bomb! Usually I'm taking the normal products and then trying to improve them in some strange, maybe interesting way. But you know, I'm from Ukraine, and Ukrainian people, they eat a lot of beetroot, and today I will cook some sauce which called aioli. It's actually origin from Spain, but with beetroot it became Ukrainian, and this my own opinion. Okay, so first of all we should take the nice and soft chicken breast. We should cut it in half and make the sticks. What we should do now, we should make actually simple, interesting breading. So, what we should do? We should take few eggs, like this. We should whisk a bit. Then we are taking one more plate and we put in this plate the polenta, or it's a corn flour. We have simple flour. First, our sticks goes in a simple flour. Then these sticks go to egg, because without the egg, the corn flour will not stick properly. And after that, we just taking the sticks and here to corn flour and mix it very, very softly and very, very nice. Next, we are taking our chicken sticks and putting in the oven, temperature 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. But if you want to make it dark and black, you should cook it for half an hour. And while it's cooking, while it's baking, actually we can make the beetroot aioli. "15 minutes passed away, and now I can check my chicken sticks." Woo! Hello! Just take a look. They need 10 more minutes to become cold, and after that they become more crunchy. But I don't like to wait. I will take with my hand, I will burn my fingers, but I will put on a plate this nice chicken sticks. Come on. I'll take spoon and I will put aioli beetroot. You know, there is a new type of chocolate, it is rosé, and there is new type of mayo, rosé.